Okay, so the point I was making in the last video, I was talking about the carbon reservoirs. And so ecologists, when they look at any um, any molecule or many different molecules, water or carbon or sulfur or other things that are important for life, we talk about what we call biogeochemical cycles, biology, earth, chemical cycles. And so when you talk about these, you look at where is where's the element or the the substance in question, where is it found? Sometimes it's water, sometimes it's something like carbon. And so when you look at the reservoir for storage of carbon, we can say, well, where do we find it? We find it in the atmosphere. We had said we have different kinds of gases in the atmosphere. Two of them are very important. Two of them that are very important for global warming are carbon containing, and they would be methane and carbon dioxide. Um, it's in life, plants, animals, fungi, everything that's alive is made of carbon. Rocks, limestone, that's a calcium carbonate. Um, Diamonds, no one's burning diamonds. They're carbon also, but then we have fossil fuels. And so the rock, it's pretty much, in the rock or in the diamonds. So it's not really going to move much from there. And we had said that we have this cycle between the atmosphere and life, which is this carbon that's moving back and forth. And then we have some carbon that's stored away for millions of years, and that's in the form of fossil fuel. And so we had said what is increasing the carbon that is cycling is the fact that we are burning coal, any fossil fuel, natural gas, anything like that, is increasing the carbon dioxide that is cycling in our atmosphere. So when we talk about these greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, we can say, well, what do they do? We'd say we have this sunlight that is coming and hitting the earth. And so that's my little sun there. And so you can see we have the sunlight that is coming down, and 23% of this sunlight energy is directly being intercepted by greenhouse gases and absorbed in the atmosphere. Then we have this other portion of the radiation that makes its way to the earth, and some of that heat energy that comes to the surface of the earth is radiated away. So just like a hot iron or something, you put your hand next to it, you say, I can feel heat coming off of it. Same thing happens here with the earth. Now that heat that is being re-emitted and sent back out into space, some of it goes back out into space, but some of it gets captured indirectly by these greenhouse gases. And that's 37%. So if we combine these two numbers together, the 23% that is directly absorbed by the atmosphere, plus the 37% that is indirectly absorbed, the re-emitted heat that is absorbed by the atmosphere, that is 60% of the heat that is making its way into the earth is being captured. And so what we're talking about here is the Earth's energy balance. And so the atmosphere is playing a major role in controlling the temperature of the Earth. And what we talk about is these gases that are called greenhouse gases. And this is all part of a natural process by which the gases in the atmosphere are going to capture heat that is making its way to the earth. Okay, I'm going to stop right there.